Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Medical Classes by Dr. Srinidhi Kumar Acharya. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also please give your valuable comments. You can also visit my playlist. In the playlist, I have provided almost all the topics in a very systematic order. This is quite convenient for the study. Anyway, in the last class, we are discussing about critical analysis of Bala shosha in children. So we have seen all the theory part, we have seen the signs and symptoms, we have seen the pathology, how it processes, and we have also seen how critically this particular Bala shosha can be correlated with the present day contemporary modern science. Now today we will look into the treatment of Bala shosha, especially in terms of Ayurveda. Now, one of the main treatment in Bala shosha is again looks like Deepanapachana treatment. Okay, because we always consider Agni as the prime factor which is get affected in almost all types of pathologies. So here also, so they have given mostly the importance for the Agni Deepana, and they have also given importance for what you say Shota Shodhana. They have also given importance for Brahmana and so many other Bahya procedures. So this we will see one by one. This is the first shloka which is actually mentioned in Ashtanga Sangraha Uttara Tantra, second shloka, second chapter 46 shloka. Saindava Vyosha Shangharshta Pata Girikadambakan Shushyato Matusarpibhyam Uchhamadishu Yojayit. That means the powder of Trikatu, powder of Manjishta, powder of Patha, Girikadamba and Saindava Lavana should be mixed together with Madhu and as well as Grita, and it is given to the child, and this will going to relieve the shosha. Now if you look into the drugs which are present here, the Trikatu etc. is there and Saindavalavana etc. is there, so they are basically Agnidipana along with some Vatahara properties also. And look into Girikadamba, Patha and again the Manjishta etc. Again it looks like towards the Shoto Shodhana effect, and this has to be given with the Madhu and Grita as a Anupana. This is the reference number 1. Similarly, another reference is Ashoka Rohini Yuktam Panchakolancha Churnitam Badari Dhataki Dhatri Churnam Va Sarpisham Gratam. This is a reference from Ashtanga Sangraha Uttara Tantra, second chapter 47 sloka, where he says Ashoka and Rohini is mixed with the Panchakola Churna, again Deepanapachana, and this will be added with the Badari, Dhataki and Amalaki. Amalaki is Raktapittam Pramehagnam Paramvrisham Rasayanam, Amalaki, and mixed with Madhu and Grita and taken orally. Now here Madhu and Grita may be act as a Anupana, and also these two are the very rich sources of calorie also, energy also. Along with the Yogavayi Guna, it increases the bioavailability. Along with all these additional properties, Grita and Madhu, Grita is a high calorie diet also, and Madhu is also rich in carbohydrate. Now, along with Shota Shodhana effect and taken orally. These drugs are taken orally, and what this is, this will going to increase the Agni. Okay, this will going to increase the Agni. So basically, this yoga is constituted like that. It will going to increase the Agni. Similarly, going to the next reference, Grita for Shota Shodhana. Shota Shodhana is very important because there is a lot of Shotasa Ruddeshu Kafavahishu, Rasavahishu. It very clearly says Ruddeshu, Rasavahishu, Shoteshu. So Shota Shodhana is very important. So for the Shota Shodhana purpose, so they have explained a Grita, and that Grita is called as a not given any specific name. Of course, this is a Grita for Shota Shodhana in Bala shosha. So what is it? Stira, Vacha, Dvi Brihati, Kakoli, Pippalihi Natehi, Nichulo, Utpala, Varshabhu, Bhargi, Mustaischa, Karshikehi. Then Prasthardham, Ajyasya, Shrotasam Shodhanam Param. Then Simha, Ashwagandha, Surasa, Kana Garbha, Cha Tadgunam. Reference from Ashtanga Sangraha again, Uttara Tantra, second chapter. Where he says different drugs, like maximum drugs are having Shota Shodhana properties. And some of the drugs are also having Balya, Brahmana and Jivani property. And here, Shalaparni, Pippali, Bharangi, Prishniparni, Nichula, Musta, and Brihati Dvaya. Then comes Utpala, Kakoli, Varshabhu. Now Varshabhu is very important. Varshabhu is nothing but Punarnava. are taken in a Karsha Pramana, Karshike, Mustesha Karshike, Karsha Pramana. Then Siddha Prastharda Ajyasya. That means these above drugs are taken in the Karsha Pramana. Their powder is prepared and taken in the Karsha Pramana. Then by this the Kalka Dravya is prepared by adding Grita. How much Grita has to be added? Grita, half prastha of the Grita. One prastha of the above drug, half prastha of the Grita should be added and mixed together, and as a result Kalka Dravya is prepared, and that should be given to the child. And they say that this particular Grita is Shoto Shodaka. Shoto Shodaka. So if you look into the drugs combination here, Simha, Simhasha, Ashwagandha, then Surasa, Khana Garbha, then some of the other drugs, if you look into that, Kakoli, Kshira Kakoli, okay. So then Punarnavayati. So instead of shosha, in order to enhance the regeneration process, always Punarnava is best. Along with the other Mutrala effects, the basically definition of Punarnava itself says Punarnavayati. Therefore, it's quite good in regeneration property. So wherever you require regeneration, you can go for Punarnava. And this is the important yoga which is mentioned for Shroto Shodhana. So next we will continue the treatment of Bala Shosha in the next class. Thank you very much. We will continue the same in the next class.